Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing maintenance on my hair. And by maintenance on my hair, I just mean I wash my hair and I'm going to show you guys the routine of how I bring my hair back to life, my extensions. I have a quick weave in right now, and this is the first time that I've ever washed my quick weave before. Of course, I didn't wash my scalp because it's under the cap or whatever, but I did wash my extensions. Quick weaves are really convenient, and I find myself doing them a lot more now. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do maintenance on my extensions and how I curl my hair, how I achieve the pretty flowy curly look that I do on my clients, and I'm going to be doing it on myself. So we're going to be having a little bit of girl talk today. But anyways, let's get into this video. So I took my towel down. As you can see, I washed my hair, and y'all, I guess I'm getting more used to looking crazy on this internet because no one could ever see me with my hair looking crazy, but I'm rocking it out for y'all, so I hope y'all love me for that. But first, I'm going to start with my edges. So this is the leave-in conditioner that I've been using on me and my daughter lately, so I do recommend this brand. For my extensions, I'm going to be using Kenra's Daily Provision Leave-In Conditioner. I love this conditioner on my extensions. Whenever I wash my hair or my client's hair, I do like to use this. And I feel like it dries faster. For some reason, it's really good for when you are straightening your hair. So I do recommend this. And I spray it from root to ends. I'm gonna get my Tangle Teaser and I'm gonna comb it through. And today I'm gonna blow dry it. I'm gonna blow dry them. If you have time, air drying is really good as well, but for me, I'm just gonna blow dry them. Okay, so I'm done blow drying my hair. I'm gonna do my leave out right now because it's looking crazy and I can't take it anymore. I'm gonna be using Cheat. It's really lightweight on your extensions, and I'm also gonna be using some Kenra hairspray. I live by this stuff. I'm gonna be using this to lay my edges as well. So right here, I'm just rubbing some Cheat through my extension. Here, I already put it on my leave out though. So I'm about to straighten my leave out. This is considered an off-center part. I did an off-center part like a few months back, and I really did fall in love with it. It's not quite on the side and it's not in the middle. I didn't want a deep side part, and I wasn't sure if I wanted the middle part. I normally always go with the middle part because that is that's my look right there. I love a middle part bust down. I went with the off-center part and I really do like it. I'm going to be rocking this look a lot more. So once I straighten my leave out, I'm not going to put the Kenra spray on my leave out yet. I'm going to do my edges first, because I like to do that last when I'm done straightening all my hair. But I just spray my edges and brush them back. I like to shape my edges first before I, put any edge control or anything. I said I was gonna give my hair a break though, especially my leave out. I'm not really a closure girl or a frontal girl. I've never really been into that stuff. But I do want to try a bang, and I think that I could use a closure, either a 2x6 or just a I can't remember the other dimension. I just wanted to use a closure to do my bang. I think my husband wants me to try a bang because he's been hinting by showing me pictures like, oh, this would be cute on you, oh, this would be cute on you. I'm like, he wants me to try a bang, but it's cool because I want to try one as well. And that'll give me time to, give my leave out a break. I really do prefer a leave out, honestly, because it just looks way more natural to me. I do plan on trying the 2x6 closure. It looks just like a part. I just won't, put a lot of makeup or anything on it. I'm not even I don't know if I'm good or not at it. I haven't really tried it. So we'll see. It looks pretty easy though. I'm sure I can pull it off. I put a little edge control once I shape them. So I like to shape them with the hairspray. And then I use a tad bit of edge control and then, swoop. And then I'm gonna just spray a little so that it'll stay in place. But yeah, super cute. So now it's time to get to straightening my hair and styling my hair. So what I wanted to tell you all is, when it comes to nice flowy curls, you need layers. The curls will not fall properly if you don't have layers. You need layers because it just gives with layers. It just looks so much better with layers. It just doesn't fall right if you don't have any layers in your hair. So I've already cut this hair once. I just want to cut a few more, just a little. I've already done some. As you can see, I'm just going to cut a little more. A little more. You just take a section, lift it up like this, and then you just cut. You cut. Be careful not to cut your leave out. I see my leave out right there peeking. I'm just gonna cut some more. The bang, this part falls in your face. You gotta have some layers. I pretty much cut this one pretty good. I have a round face, so I really like layers in my hair. Layers eat. I'm picking it up, pulling it out, and just cutting like straight down. Take my hair together like this, and then I'm gonna cut it all together. Okay, so now I like to start at the bottom, and I'm gonna clamp the rest of my hair out of the way. These flat irons are really good. I told you all about them before in another video when I first got them. I got them from the beauty supply store. They're Red Pro Titanium 460. I really like these flat irons. But anyway, you guys, I have a high schooler. I'm really excited about it. I'm not really like the parent that cries, you know, for everything. But it is kind of like scary because I've been taking care of her for as long as I can remember, and now she's all in high school. Before you know it, she's gonna be like off to college, or you know, in whatever career she's trying to pursue. I don't know what to do with myself if she leaves. And she's really like my little best friend. I love her to pieces. Now, like I said, I'm not the mom to cry about everything, you know, but I will say I see their point of view as well, because just the other day, I wanted her to do a TikTok with me, and she acted like she was just too busy to do this TikTok with me. It actually really hurt my feelings, because I'm like, something that she used to beg me to do, I wanted her to do with me, and now she's acting like she's too busy. I'm like so sad, y'all. That actually made me tear up for the first time, and I was like, oh my gosh, I see why. You know, moms are sad and they start crying or whatnot. I don't want another baby. It's just so dangerous now. Like, my anxiety is through the roof when it comes to her even going to school thinking like crazy stuff, because I see a lot of stuff online about how kids are super mean and stuff that goes down when the teachers aren't watching. So I'm like super scared. She's a tough cookie. But like, if I were to have a baby who was really soft, really, you know, really timid, I would be having to defend the baby all the time. Like, really nervous about that. I'm not sure if I want another one. So she's gonna be my little baby forever. But anyways, y'all, I'm so happy. Like, I'm getting to like sit down and actually do a video with you guys. It's been a minute. I've had a super stressful, long week. The week prior, we have went to Houston. We had a rental property in Houston. This tenant, by the way, she moved out whenever they got a new place. We didn't have high expectations for her as it is, but we didn't expect for her to, I just want to say she wasn't the cleanest tenant, okay? We had to do a lot more work than what we expected. That was a little stressful, and as soon as we got back, I had clients. I didn't really get a break, and normally I don't work on Sundays, but because school started back, I had to do my daughter's hair, and I had to do my little sister's hair. So as you can imagine, I could not wait for my daughter to go back to school to get a break. So I'm just so happy that I'm able to like be able to do my own hair and at least like do a video for you guys. It's been a minute. I said once I started my YouTube that I would be consistent, and that's what I plan on doing. And I promise I haven't abandoned my channel, I promise you, but I've been so busy and so stressed out. Literally yesterday, I didn't do anything. And y'all look how nice this hair is. I didn't do anything yesterday though. I planned on doing some editing and everything else for, you know, a few of my styles that I've done. But I literally was in the bed. I caught up on my shows. I watched Basketball Wives. And let me tell you guys, I'm a little upset with Evelyn because I love Evelyn. If you guys watch Basketball Wives, you know exactly what I'm talking about. But I got to relax and kick my feet up. And you know, I had such a relaxing day yesterday. So I'm happy about that. I put out my hair and then I like to run my hot comb through. Make sure you get that leave out. You see how this flattened right out? It's flattened right out. Root to ends, guys. Root to ends. Okay, so now that my hair is straight, I'm going to do the curls. I'm going to be using my BaBylissPRO curling iron. And I can't remember how many inches this is. I will leave it in the description below. I'm going to take a chunk of my hair, guys. And then I'm going to take my hairspray. Spray, okay? When I curl, I'm going to curl up. See See that? I want a little bit of length, so as you can see, I'm starting like here. If you just keep watching, I'm going to show you how I do the rest of my curls. But definitely use that Kenra hairspray before and after. I'm just going to clip it. See? As you can see, I'm curling up again. And I'm actually going to do the entire bottom half like this. But when you get to the top, you curl it like under. Clip it there. So look, now I'm at the top and I'm going to do it under. The bottom ones are this way and then the top is this way. As you can see, depending on how tight you want your curls, you don't have to do your parts really small. Like look at this chunk of hair that I have. If you want your curls really tight, I would say do smaller, like break this in half. If you want really tight curls, break it in half. And they'll be super tight. For me, I want them kind of loose but fluffy. This is just fine for that. So when you're done, spray them off. Just go through with the spray. And as you can see, they're still tight. And then I just run my fingers through. You see that? So pretty. Told y'all. Look at this. And then you take your spray again, and then you spray your leave out and your curls. You can actually use these to shape your curls. The key is layers with your curls. Your hair has to be clean also. Your curls won't curl right if you have dirty hair. You can't curl dirty hair. You just can't. It won't work. And not like really just disgusting hair. I mean, you know, if it's time to wash your curls, just for them to be flowy, you know what I mean? You see? Let me show you guys the back. So I gave you guys the tea on how to curl your hair. So pretty. I love it, you guys. So beauties, I hope this video was really helpful. It's the end of this video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.